I'm very proud to be this man's friend, but I think I'm prouder to be your fan. When I saw Rock On, that experience for me was something that was so new, and it was so profound. The impact it had on me was so profound that I think it's turned me into a fan for life. And going by this poster, when I saw this poster, I know for a fact that this man, he's just gold. His heart is just gold, and whatever he will create in his life will be gold because you cannot create something that you are not. And going by this poster, my friend, I think it's gold again. Kai Poche!
My father had told this to Suraj that Suraj, film बनाना जब तेरे पास एक ही चीज है हाथ में और वो है script. And that's what I really as a friend appreciate about Gattu is that Gattu has been through tough times in his life. We all have our own standards of life. But Gattu stood by his conviction, and today, if I can use his word on national TV, he had the balls to make this particular film with newcomers, which nobody, okay, people like us, okay, depend on stars, and because we think that the minimum guarantee, he has depended on his conviction, which I really appreciate, and I wish all the best for Gattu.
I am so proud of that man who gave me a film like Rock On, which changed my life, changed his life. And he's given a film like Kai Poche, which is going to change these three boys' lives, who have done a fantastic job in the movie. Absolutely fantastic. There is no film which I see that has been made with so much honesty, which has such a beautiful message.
Certain films require new faces, new talent, and you shouldn't come in with any preconceived notions. But it's not everybody's cup of tea to produce a film like this. Someone else might not have the guts to do it. It costs a lot of money to back newcomers up.
का प्रोमो देखे तो उसमें दिखता है कि पूरी फिल्म सेट पे नहीं है, मतलब अधिकतर जो उसके लोकेशंस हैं नॉर्मल हैं जो बाहर के हैं, तो लाइक किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा? बाहर था, पूरी फिल्म सेट पे नहीं थी।
जी, ये फिल्म सेट पे नहीं बनी है, ये गुजरात की कहानी है। तो गुजरात में है, ये दोस्त गुजराती लड़के हैं तीन और गुजरात में रहते हैं, तो रेल लोकेशंस पे ही शूट हो सकती थी और रेल कहानी है तो फिर रेल लोकेशंस पे जाहिर है बनता है वहाँ जाना।
Chetan and Abhishek, how different is it going to be from Three Idiots? Because it's from the same novel.
No, it's not from the same novel. There's not one novel that I sell. I wish 5-6 filmmakers would make. Yeah, you could have like Devdas बनती है 5-6 से बना सकते हैं. Yeah, okay. So it is my fault actually because I got too many numbers and I have a number fixation because I was an engineer banker. So all my books have those. Three Idiots is based on 5 Point Someone, and that came in 2009. The movie and book came earlier. This is based on my third book, The Three Mistakes of My Life, which has become Kai Poche. So it's a different story.